In this video, I'll guide you through how to share a BigQuery project. If you've ever needed to collaborate with a colleague or a team on a BigQuery project, sharing access is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and make sure your project is accessible to the right people. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Google Cloud console. If you're not familiar, this is the central hub for managing all your Google Cloud resources. Once you're there, the next step is to ensure that your target project is selected. You'll find this option in the top drop-down menu. It's crucial that you're working within the correct project environment to avoid any mix-ups, especially if you manage multiple projects. Next, click on the navigation menu, which you'll spot as 3 horizontal lines located in the top left corner of the console. This menu is your gateway to various settings and features. Once you've opened it, hover over the IAM and Admin section. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management, and it's where you can control who has access to your resources and what they can do with them. From here, select IAM to proceed. Now you're on the IAM page. At the top, you'll see a button labeled Plus Grant Access. Go ahead and click on that. This is where we'll specify who will receive access to your project. In the field labeled New Principals, you'll need to enter the email address of the person or Google group you wish to share the project with. It's important to double-check that you've typed the email address correctly to ensure the right person or group gets access. After you've entered the email address, the next step is to assign a role. Google Cloud uses roles to determine what permissions a user will have. When you click on the drop-down menu for roles, you'll see a variety of options to choose from. The role you select should align with the level of access you want to provide. For instance, if you want the person to have full control over the project, you might select a role like Owner. If they only need to view the data, a role like Viewer would be more appropriate. Consider the responsibilities and tasks the person will be handling when making your selection. Once you've decided on the appropriate role, you're ready to finalize the process. Simply click on the Save button and the system will apply the access changes. You'll receive a confirmation message ensuring that the individual or group now has the permissions you've set. And just like that, you've successfully shared your BigQuery project. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Regularly review who has access to your projects to maintain security and ensure only necessary parties have permissions. If at any point you need to revoke or change access, you can return to the IAM page and adjust settings as needed. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to sharing a BigQuery project. With collaboration being key in many projects, knowing how to share access efficiently can greatly enhance your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.